Hello, welcome to Nails of Interest, everybody. Today I'm going to do a mani that was requested by a childhood friend for the University of Michigan. They're starting up back to school, their football season's starting up. I figured I'll go ahead and do that. It's a great time. I've already got a base gel from Modelons One on my hand. Anything sticky, foil glue, base gels that are sticky after curing, orally rubberized base coat, anything that's sticky will work for this. Doesn't have to be a gel. You can paint your nails first if you would like to. Sometimes I just like to go a bit sheer. And we'll just get into it. I'm going to be using the blue hollow from Shemodern. So I had to make it hollow. The gold hollow from Shemodern. And I'm going to try to make a football out of the brown pearl. We'll see if I can make a football, because we know right now, as I'm recording this, she doesn't have a football stencil. Getting out my Born Pretty bling stamper. I've got two of them right here. And we'll just go to work. I like to cap off the other end of my stamper. If you haven't watched me before, I do take the stamper head and reverse it for the Shemodern stencils. These are nice and sticky. The glitters and pigments will adhere to it. So will the stencils. First, I'm just going to get out the line stencil and create some lines. I have two of them here. Put down a palette. Make sure your stencil is good and clean. I'm trying to figure out what lines I want to use. So whatever color you put on, if it's sticky like this, you put on one color of the glitter and the other color will stick to what's still sticky on your nail. So that is a cool little effect. I'm going to go with the hollow gold first. I just tap, 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 tap at the bottom of the bottle. It doesn't take much at all. I'll probably get 2 nails worth out of this. These bottles are so handy. They don't spill, they don't. Look at how much extra glitter I have on here. Don't worry, I won't waste it. I don't waste any glitters. Turn it over onto the palette, and most of that glitter will be there. Now this is what goes on your nail. I'm only going to do a few nails. I'm going to go a little different. See, it applies. Get a fresh area. Apply some more. Whatever's on your hands will wash off after you top coat. So that's a cool little look. I will save these glitters. I'm going to put blue on. For that, I want to try something. I'm going to try to make a gold M, because University of Michigan does have a gold M. This is just a stencil. It doesn't stick down like the Shemodern, so I'm just going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, then I will go back to the original plan. Now this, since it's a tall stencil, you cannot let go of it. I wish she did make letters, but they don't make letters at the moment. It can be done, it's just a little harder. I've never done it myself. I know it should be able to be done. Flip it over, move the excess off, shake it off. I've got me a gold M for my middle finger. Stamp it on there. There's no way I could have put that stencil on my nail. I will have to clean this up with the lint roller after. And I'm going to go on with the blue. This is the hollow blue. Let me get out a fresh palette so I can save that gold. And here you just apply the blue over top. Yes, I know die-hard Michigan fans, that's not the correct font, but I could not find it. Just pat, pat, pat. Wherever it's sticky, it will adhere to. Wherever it's not sticky, it won't adhere to. Pick up extra, put it back on. Hoping this M will look nice. Every time I get sticky, I just go on to the next nail. And I'll add more. It's best not to mix your colors up. That's why I did gold first and I did blue second. I didn't get enough top coat on or base coat on there. I can go back in and add foil glue. You can dust it off. That brown was just looking too drab. I'm gonna do a football out of orange. Yes, it's not typical. It's my Manny. I can do what I want. Let's do. I'm not really a football fan, but I can make a football look. Here we go. This is the orange hollow from Shemodern. A little does go a long way. Just pat it. If your stamper feels sticky, you need more. Tiny bit more. I always turn my stencils over to get the excess off, remove it. Extra glitters will fall onto your canvas. And for my football, I'm just going to stamp it onto my finger, like so. It's best to use some contrasting colors, so I'll go back to the blue. your skin down and get close to the edges. Go and dust a little bit off. I'm going to cap my glitters because I'm done with my glitters. I mean, they don't spill, but just in case, because they're gorgeous glitters. You don't want to waste anything. I'm going to remove this out of my way. Okay, now I'm going to take some gel top coat. You can use any top coat you prefer. I'm just into gels. You just float it over your art. If you get any glitter on, just wipe it off in a lint-free wipe. Did you notice I flipped my brush over? I just do that out of habit so I can go on to the next nail. I didn't even think about that. Wipe it off. I do keep a separate bottle just for glitters. I will cure this and come back. Okay, if you want to make your football a little, these are all top coated in. If you want to make your football a little more special, get out some gorgeous white gel polish. This is the Modelons African White. I've got my alpha brush I won from Growling Cheetah. I'm going to attempt to do a little hand painting. Just of the stitches, nothing fancy. I remember how football goes. I have a severe handshake problem. Trying to figure out how to hold my hands so that I won't shake. I used to just put my pinky, but now I shake. Okay, I gotta cure that. You may want to flash cure as you go. I wasn't thinking what I was doing. On your good brushes, you do not want to use alcohol on them. You want to just wipe them off with the lint-free wipe. You can store clear gel on them. I'm trying to do this one-handed right here. This is such a fine brush. I'm so happy to have won it. Put the cap back on it. Store it in a dark place so that it doesn't cure. I will top coat this in, but there you have my football mani for the University of Michigan. I hope that my childhood friend likes it. Until next time, everyone, have a great day. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.